Hello and welcome everybody to my channel Kerala GSV Konkani Dishes. Myself Padma, and today we will see how to prepare Chunna undi or Kozhikatta. It is a steamed sweet dish. This dish was mainly adopted by us when we migrated to Kerala. We refer to Kozhikatta as Chunna undi in Konkani. Chun is the jaggery and coconut filling in the Kozhikatta. Undi is the general term for dish that is spherical in shape. This dish is similar to the modak prepared by Maharashtrians. Kozhikatta is made of rice flour, and the inside filling varies from region to region. The dish is liked by young and old in the family. It is a healthy dish as it is steamed and consumed. Coming to ingredients: 1 cup rice flour, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 and 1/4 cup water, 1/4 teaspoon coconut oil, ghee 1 teaspoon, 1/4 cup grated jaggery, 1 cup grated coconut, 8 to 10 numbers of cardamom, and 1/4 cup pova. Pova is actually optional. If you want, you can add it, or else you can just prepare the filling with grated coconut and jaggery and cardamom alone. Now in a kadai, add 1.5 cups of water, 1/4 teaspoon of coconut oil, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Allow it to reduce the flame and then add 1 cup rice flour slowly. See that you add the rice flour, you keep on stirring. Mix all the rice flour with water. Once done, switch off the flame. Transfer the contents from the kadai to a wide mouth mixing bowl and cover and keep it for 4 to 5 minutes. In the meantime, add hot water to the dough sticking to the pan, and with a spatula scrape the dough and add it to the mixing bowl. Do not add the water that you have added for scraping. After 4 to 5 minutes, start kneading the dough. The dough should be warm when you knead it. Mix thoroughly, applying pressure with your hands to get a soft and smooth dough. See that you do not leave the dough open for a long time, as it will cause the dough to get dried up faster, resulting in formation of cracks. Mix grated coconut, grated jaggery, cardamom powder, and pova if you are using nicely with your hands and keep aside. This is called the chun, and it is used as the filling. Apply ghee to your hands. Make lemon size ball out of the dough. Gently flatten a ball with your fingers to form a thick puri. See that the edges are thin and center is slightly thick. Place the chun in the center of this puri. Cover it by bringing the edges of the puri towards the center. Join all the edges gently. Roll between your hands the chunna undi to get a neat round shape. The undi should be smooth and round and free of cracks, or chances of oozing out of chun during the steaming becomes unavoidable. Repeat the procedure with the rest of the dough. Steam the chunna undi for 15 to 20 minutes in a steamer or idli maker. Your chunna undi is ready to be served. Shelf life is 2 to 3 days if refrigerated. Thank you for watching my channel. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.